Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a drone that's packed with pro-level features. Get ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography game. This isn't just any drone. It's a 4K dual camera powerhouse. Imagine capturing stunning high-definition video from two different perspectives at once. But what really sets this apart is its intelligent flight system. With 360-degree obstacle avoidance, you can fly with confidence, knowing the drone is actively scanning and navigating around potential hazards. Plus, the optical flow positioning ensures incredibly stable and precise hovering, even when you're not touching the controls. And let's talk about range and endurance. You get an impressive 5,000-meter control distance and a solid 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Combined with its multi-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization, your footage will be buttery smooth. This drone is on sale now for under $200. Get yours at www.QualaStore.com. Thanks for watching.